Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So guys, let's continue into your Snapchat. Now go to your profile. Tap on the settings icon in the right side of corner. Swipe down. Now tap on blocked. So guys, as you can see, I have blocked only one person. So if you want to unblock, then you have to tap on the cross icon and then tap on yes, and then the contact will be unblocked. So guys, that's it. That's how you can unblock someone on Snapchat very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.